Hi everybody, it's Julie Marie and I'm here in the Protective Diet Test Kitchen and I'm bringing you another recipe of how to use it example for the Protective Diet education community. And this week's recipe is macerated strawberries, sugar-free of course. And I'm working on a new vanilla ice cream. No bananas in this vanilla ice cream. And I'm making this super sundae for Jerry. This is a banana split, obviously, and I'm topping it with our chocolate fondue. Are you making this recipe? If you're practicing a protective diet, I hope you're making this chocolate fondue. It's sugar-free and fat-free, always on a protective diet. And then we have, these were in my freezer, bag of frozen pineapple from our pineapple upside down cake. So those are always handy. And then I have my macerated strawberries. You could use this on your yogi bowls. You could use this on one of your protective diet pressure cooked cheesecakes. You could use this on so many different recipes. And there's a strawberry shortcake coming up because it's strawberry season. And then a couple weeks ago we did toasting grains and we have our toasted oats. They're gonna add so much to this sundae. They're a little bit crunchy and toasty in flavor. That's our nut replacement on this recipe. You could also use the Protective Diet Nuts, NUTZ recipe. That's a nut-free nut. And of course, a frozen cherry out of our freezer to top this sundae off right. Jerry, I'm just gonna take one quick bite of your sundae. This is how we're doing it on a protective diet. Protection for humans, animals, and our planet. Take care and best of health.